Hello, today we are looking at complete guide to troubleshooting electronic devices. When a device is not working, when an instrument is not working, there are a number of conditions or problems that causes that to happen. So there are techniques that you can employ to solve this device not working problem. Four major faults that occur in instrument repairs are one, short circuit. Components can short internally. Another one is open circuit. Components can also open internally. The third one is dry joints. The fourth one is bent. Components can get bent. There are also a number of faulty component types. You can have your MOSFET, metal oxide semiconductor, failed if transistors going bad. You can also have diodes, capacitors, resistors, sensors, octocouplers, transformers, rectifiers, voltage regulators. All these can either open internally or short internally, and they can also get bent. Another point is they can actually have a dry joint under them when they are soldered on the board with time. Due to cooling and heating, you switch on the device today, you switch it off. Its heat is generated when it's on, and then what? There is cooling when it is what? It's not powered. So this can cause dry joints to be created under the board over a period of time. And at times, televisions, devices have these faults in that with a touch they start to work, and then when they stop, when it happens like that, you have to reinstall soldering under the components, and then the instruments start to work perfectly again. To test for this open circuit and short circuit faults, you can use the continuity mode of the digital multimeter to test for such shorts. There will be a buzzer beeping when the instrument is shorting, and there will be no buzzer beeping when the instrument is when the equipment or there is an open circuit fault. And then for the case of dry joints, you can physically see that the area around the soldering point has removed, and there is no more holding for the component. There is no more tight holding for the component. When it happens that way, it means you have to reinforce for soldering using the solder and your soldering iron to solder around the components on the body. It will become perfect again. Another point is physically, you can see that your component is bent or part of the board is bent. When it happens like that, you can use a brush and soapy water to wash the affected part, dry it, and then pour solder again. Yes, when a capacitor can burst, okay, can get bloated, and also this MOSFET transistors, voltage regulators can get bent. So even resistors can also get bent, even transformers. Okay, all the components on the board can bend. There is a high inrush current to the components. So once it happens that way, we only identify physically that a capacitor, a transformer, a rectifier, a voltage regulator, or a transistor or a sensor is bent. So once you see that it's bent, you desolder it back, and then you desolder a good one on the board. In that case, you will have your board to work perfectly back again. Okay, so when you are maintaining your instrument, you make sure that you use all your senses, your sense of smell, Is something burning? The sense of touch is it overheating beyond the normal temperatures? Okay, is it heating excessively? Is there a fan that is overblowing or is becoming noisy? Okay, so all your senses of smell and touch, okay, and intuition must be alert when you're doing your maintenance. But you should also have your digital multimeter and radio or your oscilloscope or your DC supply so you can give some voltages and see whether they are being really utilized or they are being grounded. Okay, so it is very, very important that when you are doing maintenance, all your senses are alerted. You also have digital multimeter, either analog or digital, or oscilloscope or probes, okay, to help you to analyze and troubleshoot your circuits and provide appropriate solutions so your clients will be happy. If it is a mobile phone that you are working on, is it the power supply section? Is it the power pin that is broken? Is it the screen? You replace it for your customer and your customer is happy. If it is a DC supply, if it is a TV depot, and then the power supply is bent, you just open and see maybe the transformer is bent, maybe a capacitor put or bent, maybe a transistor, maybe a power transistor is bent. You look at it, you desolder it, you buy a new one, you fix it. You have your TV or your power supply or your adapter working again. So please just be confident in yourself and everything working better. So this maintenance work is really good and it can really actually change your life forever. Okay, to do that, just write the vision. I want to maintain medical instruments. I want to maintain mobile phones. I want to maintain instruments, any instrument, laboratory instrument. Write the vision. Make it plain, okay? What you want to do, I want to maintain, I want to repair. Habakkuk 2 says that, but write the vision, make it plain so that he that reads it may run with it. So write the vision. I want to be a maintenance engineer. I want to be a technician. I want to be a laboratory engineer. I want to be a laboratory instrument maintenance engineer. Write it. And another thing you have to do is what? Associate with wise people, not fools. Okay, people who are doing the same work. Maybe they are maintaining instruments, they are maintaining mobile phones. Visit them, visit their shops, get to know what they are doing. Be like-minded. Meet people with like-minded. We all want to maintain an instrument. Be together. And another thing is what? Meditate. We are working and we find out that the diode is not working. What can I do? The capacitor, I've replaced the capacitor, I've replaced the regulator. For example, it's a power supply. You have gone through the input stage whereby you have your power through the transformer, through the rectifier, through the filters, through the regulators, and now to the load. But you find out that the voltage has dropped. What is causing it? You meditate through the work that you are doing, okay? And what? Joshua 1:8 says that what? This book of the law, this thing that you are doing shall not depart from you, shall meditate upon it. Okay, so this book of the law shall not depart from your mouth, shall meditate upon it, then you be careful to do according to all that is written in it. Then you have what? Good success. So make sure that what you meditate and think through what you are doing. Study your craft, okay? You repeat your craft. You repeatedly look at what you are doing and then you become better. Another thing is what? Count the cost. Now this maintenance cost, what will be the things that I will need, the multimeter that I will need, the components that I will replace, how will I get into my customers now? I'll repair the instrument for. Is it through friends' recommendation? What? And also make sure that you keep your tithes, you give your offerings, deny yourself something to become a better person. Another thing is what? take action. Make sure that you move to your neighbor and make them know that this is what you do, and that if they have to accept, they should call this number. Activate your spiritual life advantage. Pray, be generous, be nice to people. And then set a time, okay, in 3 days' time, in 7 days' time, in 90 days' time, in 100 days' time, this is what I want to do. And do that, and your life will become a very, very better one. So today, these are the guides that I've given you. Okay, this is what your troubleshooting. And another thing also you have to look at is what the signal flow. How does the signal flow in your instrument? If you take a power supply, you have to know that the signal is flowing from what? The 240 comes into your device, 220 or 240, or one that comes, and it is either step up or step down, and from there it's rectified. After it is rectified, what happens is filtered, and after it's filtered, it's regulated to a particular voltage, maybe 5 volts, maybe 10 volts, maybe 20 volts, maybe 19 volts. And after it is what's regulated, it's sent to the load. So you should know your signal flow from resistance to capacitor, from the transformer, it's coming to the rectifier or diodes for the rectification to be done. Normally in electronics, it is the diodes that's voltage for conversion, that's converting DC to AC. So make sure that you know your signal flow in your circuits that you are working with. So this is what I have to share with you. Please, if you like the content, subscribe, share with your friends, your colleagues, give me a thumbs up, comments down below. Okay, and then also subscribe so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be the first to look at it. Thank you. God bless you. Peace. Shalom. See you.